Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. As you can see that the natural gas price is trading at around $6.867. Okay, and there is a huge volatility. We have seen that the price of natural gas made a high of around 6.5. After breaking this particular range, we have seen it made a high twice 9.6 and then from there a level of $9.979. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind because it is forming a pattern. If you look at this particular pattern, then there is a probability that if it sustain and form a swing at this particular level, then there is a higher probability it can go further upside. This is the first thing that I have told you. Second thing, that whenever it goes high, we have seen it made a sharp fall. If you look at this particular, this is the high, made a sharp fall. After that it break this particular point. Second time it made a high and then sharp fall. Third time and fourth time we have seen a sharp fall has come. Okay, this is on the weekly chart. If you look at monthly also, the same pattern has formed. Okay, now before we move forward and explain you how the natural gas price can move ahead, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in natural gas and other commodities, even forex, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now if you look at this particular chart of natural gas, we can see if this level sustain, there is a higher probability we can see it can touch a level of $6.985. Okay, and if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of $7.306, and $7.306 is a weak support resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can touch a level of $7.466. Okay, and if the price goes above this level, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can touch a level of $7.563. Once it goes above a level of 7.5, there is a probability of touching $8.172, and this $8.172 is a resistance which is already a weak resistance, so probability is high. We can see it can move further upside towards a level of $8.539, and from there we can see it can go further upside. Okay, or if this level didn't sustain, what we can see, if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $6.6, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of $6.4. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level also, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $6.055, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of $5.8. Keep this in mind. These resistance, from there we can see a support, we can see a bounce back towards an upside, but our resistance are very high. These supports are crossing downside and will be acting as a resistance if the price fall below these particular supports. Okay, now if the price goes below a level of 5.8, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can move further low towards a level of $5.6, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of around $5.3, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $4.9. Okay, so keep this in mind. These are few supports which I have already explained you, and if you are trading, you have to be very careful because most of the people lose money in trading. What I teach in my workshop, suppose if you are trading with, you should have a particular stop loss for the day as well as trade, so that you should not wipe out your capital. Okay, this is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.